Hello, welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a fresh video where we're going to just do a quick update on Chiliz and have a look at the price and have a look at what's going on in terms of statistics. So Chiliz, ticker CHZ, currently has a coin price of 50 cents. We're having a little bit of a market shakeout, not too much so now might be a good time to get some orders filled. Looking at the chart here, we did create those highs, done quite a substantial retracement, so we'll look at that in the charts a second. Looking at the volume, currently getting $1 billion worth of volume per 24 hours and the market cap is $2.8 billion. If you're looking to trade the asset and you do not have any already, I would suggest Binance. It is getting pretty much at least 50% of the volume there against Tether and then BTC, BUSD. We've got a lot of pairs trading on Binance or CHZ, so it is fairly easy to get hold of. If you are not on Binance, then you will find that link in the pinned comment and the description. I do prefer Binance. It has the most variety of cryptocurrency. Looking at the all-time highs, we did it 89 cents and we have pulled back 43% from those all-time highs. So let's jump into some price analysis and have a look at some key areas that we could invest and then some targets going forward. So we will start off with the Tether pair and then we'll have a look at the Btc pair in too. So this is a weekly time frame. I've already got the all-time high marks up there. I think on Binance we did wick a little bit higher, went up to 94 cents, slightly different on CoinMarketCap. But looking at the MACD here on the weekly time frame, it does seem like we are running out of steam a little bit. But that is shown in the price here. As you can see, we've had quite, what did it say, 43% drop? It may even be more than that. We did a 65% drop down to those lows from that high. So I mean, currently, yeah, we're around 45% down at current prices from them all-time high. So in general, I mean, we are running out of steam on this. I mean, we should be ticking to the downside soon, but I'm expecting a good bounce to the upside very soon. And looking at the RSI, it was well overbought, up at 98%. So that's a fair old chunk. Dropping into the daily time frame, we'll get a better picture of what's going on. If we just look at this in terms of Fibonacci over the entire move, we have dropped down, we've tapped that 618 level multiple times. We have failed to close below that 618 level. So in my opinion, that is the bottom, and I can't see us going much lower than that unless we do get some wicks down to grab some liquidity. But overall, it's looking okay there. And looking at the MACD, to be honest, that is looking like we are going to get across to the upside soon. So as you can see from the wicks down here, we have pushed on. And we should get a crossover on those moving averages very, very soon. The RSI is around mid-ground, so all looking good. So what I need to do is have a look at some price levels. I think we've missed this level now, down at 39 cents. So let's just get rid of that fib and get rid of that box as well. We'll drop right into the 4-hour time frame. And have a look at this move here. So we are starting to roll over a little bit. So that to me just shows that we could get some orders filled potentially. So using the Fibonacci tool again, from this lowest wick down at 32 cents, all the way up to that highest wick that we rejected off at 56 cents. We have come down and we've tapped at 382 level. I always look, if I'm looking to invest and you watch my videos before, this is the level to buy. But if the market does continue to roll over, we do have further levels at 50%. And also the golden ratio at the 618 level. That is at 41 cents. So if you're looking to buy and place some orders, I do recommend you pretty much set limit orders rather than market buying, because you can get a better amount of crypto for your fiat or whatever you're trading with. So it looks like we are rolling over now. So I would ladder a few orders down. So potentially orders from 47.3 cents all the way down to 41.5 cents. I think those are levels where you should be placing orders, and I think there's a good chance of getting taken up. We've already hit that 302 level. I mean, so in reality, we could push on from here, but it is looking like we are rolling over here. So that is some potential buy zones. In terms of targets and where we need to be, I think this is the first key area to break around here. If you look at these wicks in around this area, all the way across, we have rejected a area 1, 2, 3 times. So I think the next time that we do push through it, we can really start to target this area up here. We just put the horizontal ray on. So we'll leave it dotted. So that is the first major target. Once we do break above 56 cents, 57 cents, we will really start to push on. If you're looking to take profit on the lower time frames, you could have some sells at 63 cents, 71 cents. And the first major hurdle is breaking through that barrier 84 cents. Once you do close even a daily candle above this level, I think we will push on. All-time highs will be broke, and then the first major target is breaking through $1. So we've got a few targets there for you to aim at. We've got 56 cents, 63, 71. These are all profit taking areas, 84. And then the first like massive target is breaking through $1. I think once you do break through $1 in your in price discovery, you will really see what this project is doing. I've seen a lot of people thinking, right, I've bought into this. They said it in my Telegram group as well. Oh, it's not doing anything, it's just constantly going down. When in reality, we've had such a significant rise from these lows down here up to that all-time high. We did a 2,600%. So profit taking is going to happen, and in my opinion, it just looks like we are ranging, and it is pretty much accumulation time. So buy at these levels, hold, and I think you will be rewarded, because this project has a lot going for it, in my opinion. So that's a Tether pair covered. If we just take a look at a BTC pair, because I know people do like to stack Satoshis, looking at the daily time frame first. So this is a previous Fibonacci level I've put on, and that was a buy zone. As you can see, I think the last time I did this TA was towards the beginning of April. I've not done it since, so this update is definitely required. But look, if you manage to buy some around this level at 690 Satoshis, I mean, I think hats off to you, would have been doing well. You could have sold up at this 236 level, but if you'd extend this Fibonacci all the way across, we've wicked down again to that 690 Satoshi, the 618 golden ratio level. So, I mean, that area could be now done and dusted. We have tapped down there twice. I think if you do tap down there again, it's going to do a bit of a launch. So, dropping into 4 hour and having looking at buy zones here. Analysing this move from the bottom down at 659 sats up to that current wick at 1021 sats. We've rejected, very similar to the Tether pair. We've come down to that 382 level, 883 sats. And it really depends what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin starts to drop off, this might push on without getting any odds filled down here. But if you're looking for buys, I'd target anywhere from here. So you could say anywhere from 790 Satoshis all the way up to 884 Satoshis. Could be some nice levels for you to pretty much look at accumulating. In terms of sell orders, look at these extensions of fib at 1,118 Satoshis, 1,244. This major level here at 1,368. I think once you do break 1,368, it's going up to all-time highs up at 1,689. So there's some buy zones on that. Just looking at a MACD, it's looking quite bearish, to be honest. Potential bearish cross coming. RSI around mid-ground, so it's not looking too bad in that respect, but you might get some orders filled down here, so get some limit orders set, and hopefully you can pick some up before we do start to push on. So that's going to do it for today's analysis. Just some quick fire analysis on Chiliz there in both the USDT and the BTC pairings. If you're not already, then join my Telegram group, which is a Crypto Troops. Links in the pinned comment in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.